Okay, one very important thing I want to tell you. This year, the comprehension passages will be like MCQ based reference to the extract will be there. So like after the practicing of this writing section, will be revising these passages also, like reference to the context and MCQ, how these two things are clubbed together. So that also we are going to do. And for that, as we have already completed the syllabus, fine. So the important thing is that like that will be in the revision format. Like every day the questions will be asked and you will be answering those questions. So we'll be revising, practicing, and in that manner your whole chapter will be practiced and it will be in your control also. Fine. So for that I'm practicing, I'm making out the worksheets also, that will be doing like after the completion of the writing section. Fine. So now is notice writing. Those who have the books, this is page number is like it is in my book, it is page number 180, I suppose. Fine. And in your books, yeah, Aditya?
So ma'am, whatever in the revision classes, whatever question you will ask for, those marks, those will be marked, graded, like for the ASS.
Ah, yes, that will be. Yes, I have announced earlier also. One more thing, again and again, I'm telling students, those who are not taking the thing seriously, those who are on the silent mode. And yesterday also, like I'm receiving the messages like for the, again, I'll be showing you the slides first of all. As we have already done notice writing in class 11th and in class 12th also, in the beginning we have done notice writing. Now today for your revision I'll be showing you the slides. Fine. Either you can take the screenshot of that so that you'll be able to understand it in a better way. Fine. So now I am sharing with you, so you can take the screenshot with it. Like notice writing. Fine. So what are the value points that you must take care? 3 marks easily you can grab. And as I have told you that this year 16 marks for the notice. So the points that you are supposed to take care is, first is it is to be written in a box and a formal language must be used, right? I and you to be avoided. Now from today onwards, very, very important things will discuss writing section and the literature. Important points will discuss that will help you in scoring good marks. So I and you must be avoided. Use a third person. Stick to the word limit, that is 50 words only. Format includes the word notice, name of the institute and the date. And what are the things that you are supposed to remember is to include what is being organized or held. Like what is the occasion, who is organizing, date, time, venue, all these things to be added. Last name of the submission of the names, and to whom also, like to whom you are going to submit. Name and designation of the person who is writing the notice, and that is in the left hand corner in the bottom. So these are the value points that you must take care while drafting the notice. Then the format of notice, first is name of the institute, that is in block letters. Leave a line after that notice, that should be in capitals. Then in the left hand side margin in the next line, date. And then in the next line, there will be the heading in the center, which will be in the capitals, right? And then the body of their notice, including the whole content that I've just told you. In the end, signature, name of the person, and last is designation of the person who has issued. So you can take the screenshot also. And important thing is that all these things should be in a box. Fine. So all these things must be in a box that is to be done. I'm showing you one example also on your screen. The student council of your school has organized an excursion to Ajanta and Ellora. First, we'll discuss this question. Fine. So the student council of your school has organized an excursion to Ajanta and Ellora for the students of classes 10th, 11th, and 12th during the summer vacation. As the president of the council, write a notice, not more than 50 words, telling the students about the excursion, right? So yes, so I'm coming on the main screen. First we'll discuss like what is to be done in this question. How will you start? What you will write in this? Now you people will tell me, because we have already done many examples. Yes. Who will answer? Yes, Ayush, Raval. Yes, Ayush, unmute yourself and then tell me like what will come in this. How will you start? Hello.
Structure.
Who is speaking?
Anushka.
Okay, Anushka Gupta. Okay, very good. Yes, Anushka.
So I
Ji.
have to start with the names or and the body or the main content only. Do I have to start?
Complete content. Yeah, from the
Okay.
very beginning. How will you start?
We'll start by writing Cambridgeport High School,
Right.
Jaipur. Then
Hmm.
we'll leave a line. Then we'll go for
Yes.
notice. We'll leave
Right.
one line. We'll write
Right.
date. And since we are
Right.
going to organize it in it is about summer vacation, so we'll write it in the time of May or something like that. Probably
Very
on
good.
1st or 2nd May.
Very good.
Then we'll
Hmm.
leave a line again, and in the center we'll write notice.
Notice we have already written, na?
Okay, the content, sorry. Excursion to Ajanta and Ellora.
Right.
Okay.
Hmm.
And then we'll either from the next line or after leaving in line, we'll jump on to the main content.
Hmm.
And we can
Yes.
simply go by that this is to inform all the students of class 10th, 11th, and 12th that our school
Hmm.
is going to organize an excursion trip to Ajanta and Ellora from
Hmm.
uh, 21st May to
Hmm.
28th of May.
Hmm.
All the students who are interested can give their names to the class teachers or by latest by 15th of May,
Right.
and we could give the amount also, that
Hmm.
the
Hmm.
fees or the amount would
Hmm.
be rupees 500 per person, or we would simply write rupees 500 and then
Hmm.
simply would sign out the name, the signature, the name.
Okay. Anything that is missed out by, yes, anybody wants to add on? Anything that is missed out by Anushka? Yes, very, very important thing that is missed out. Who will answer?
The consent.
Con-
Yeah.
okay, yeah, yeah, right. The consent after parents' consent. Oh, right, right.
See, when you are going for some place, when you're going to some place, so you are supposed to take the consent from the parents, na? See, that
Yeah.
is why I always say that keep on noting down the value points. If you want, like, as you people say that you are not getting marks, full marks, why you are not getting? Because of these important points. You have to take care, like one very important point that I have already told you, the marks, like this time the syllabus has been decreased, 30% is decreased. This means 70% syllabus is less, automatically that is, that is directly proportional to very, very strict marking. Each and every value point must be there, box is there, capital, small, everything has to be perfect. That is why I am, annoyed with you people. Some people are not responding also in the class. It's my duty to keep on speaking, guiding you. Until unless you speak, how would I know that you people are learning or not? Every question, the value points will be different, as this is the question. So how many days we are taking, which place we are going, and the dates will be different. The first date that we are mentioning on the left hand side, that will be different. The date we are giving in the content, that will be different. The timing also, the days also, the fees also, like how much fees we are demanding. Then the last is the consent from the side of the parents, duly signed from the side of the parents. All these things are the value points in this. All these things are the value points in that particular question, so they are to be taken care. 3 marks easily you can score, fine. So, and after that completion is like, in the end, like whom to be submitted the names, like you are going to start this, for example, as you said Anushka, like 21st to 28th of May. So this means like 21st May you'll be taking, so this means your 15th May you have written the date on the this notice. So this means by 17th last you want the names of the students. to be submitted to the respective person. So you have to give the name of the person, like the student's name to be submitted latest by 17th May to the person undersigned, to the cultural secretary of the school, or to the respective class teachers like 10th, 11th, and 12th. So like this line must be there. Each and every value point which I'm telling you, these things must be there. After that, signature of the person, name, and then the designation. If designation is not there, Aditya, you want to say something? Ma'am, please unmute Aditya.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, in this BBC, ma'am, one sample notice is behalf admission notice.
Yes.
So my question is, so ma'am, the admission notice, where it will be placed, in the school notice board or in the newspaper?
Just a second. The question is on behalf of the principal of Haryana Rajya Bal Bhavan Madhuban, Karnal. This is the same question, right? So write a notice announcing the admission of orphan and destitute boys to the institute. Give details like the age of the applicants, facilities available, and the contact number. This will be placed in the school only. This will be because you are writing on behalf of the principal, name of the school is there, and admission of the orphan means those who are like the wanderers, those who do not have the parents, fine. Destitute boys, those who are not privileged ones, fine. So like such children will also be given the admissions. So you are supposed to put the message like day, age, like what is the age of the child, facilities to be given, facilities available, and the contact number. So here you can see, and it will be placed in the school only, right, Aditya? So as you can see in the content also, admissions are open in Haryana Rajya Bhavan, Bal Bhavan, Madhuban for the orphan and destitute boys of the Haryana state who are in the age group of 7 to 12. Fine. So admissions are open, age is 7 to 12. The whole expenses on maintenance, food, education, medical will be borne by the education institution. These things will be from the side of the institution. For more details, contact the person undersigned, means Rajesh Kambose. It is the name of the principal. Fine. So this person is to be submitted, or you can write any other name also, right? So let us do one more assignment also. I am going to give you. Fine. I'll be sharing on the screen. You can see the question. Yeah, Aditya, yes, tell me.
So ma'am, like to get complete marks in notice writing, so first of all, we have to dot out the points.
Yes, and that will be in the rough, not in the main. Like you can note down all the points, and they should be in your mind. That will be possible if you are practicing more and more questions from BBC. Hello, Aditya?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Fine, okay. So as you can see, the same I can show you on the screen. Okay, see the name of the school, notice, date, trip to Ajanta and Ellora. Here it is written in small, but it should be in capitals. And here the student councils of our school is organizing.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am,
Yes.
this is Deepnata this side.
Yes, Dipnata.
Ma'am, I wanted
book, page number 181. It is related to admission notice.
Ma'am, but I wanted to ask that as you said that this notice will be pinned up inside the school or in the school.
Yes.
But what will the students do with it? I mean, I wanted to say that this notice should be put somewhere outside, right? So that people get to know.
Actually, the thing is, like, for example, if it is there in the school also, like, because it is for the school, fine, it is from the side of the school. So like the school students, they would also like pass this information to the children, those who are orphan, those who can see. Fine, the children, those who are, they do not have the these facilities of going to school. Fine, because this is a school notice actually. This is the reason. School notice, college notice. So these are to be like inside the school. And so these can be, the information can be passed on from the side of the students. Like the students will read such information, right?
Yes.
Hello, Dipna. Fine.
Yes.
So they would, so they would pass on this information also. And if they would see like in their locality or somewhere like that, so they can ask the children, their parents also. They can utilize that, they can avail for this opportunity.
So
right?
how will we present this inside the notice?
If you had the book, na Dipnita, it would be very easy for you to understand. That is why, because it is given, this is a sample that is solved one. It is given, and that is why I always suggest, I have been saying from the past many days, purchase the book. It is there in the book, sample is there. It is given in here. What is to be done? I'll show you one more example also, Dipnita.
Okay, ma'am.
And try to purchase the books if possible
Ma'am, I
by
have the
today.
book, but I don't have it right now.
Okay, where is the book then?
Ma'am, it's upstairs.
Oh my God, it's upstairs. So go fast. Go fast and bring it. Go.
Yeah.
Students Council of our school is organizing it should be an excursion to Ajanta and Ellora for the students of classes 10, 11 and 12 from 15th May. Fine, 17th April it is the date. So from 15th May 2011 to 25th of May, fine, 2011, during summer vacation, interested students can give their names to the class teacher or undersigned latest by 30th of April. ABC President. This is an old one, fine. And but I have given you all the information, all the details which must be included. Names to be submitted, consent slip duly signed from the side of the parents. Everything must be there. Now we'll do these assignments. So note down these questions. Just now we'll do. As you can see here, your school is organizing a fete. Just last year we have organized. So your school is organizing a fete to collect funds for charity. Only school students are eligible to put up these stalls. As head boy or head girl of the Mira International School, draft a notice in not more than 50 words to be put up on the announcing sale of stalls, giving all other necessary details. So you can note it down because we'll be discussing just now. Second one is, your school is holding a summer camp for training students in hockey and basketball. So write a notice for the school notice board of Anand Prakash Vidyalaya, Allahabad. You are the sports secretary. So first we'll discuss this. Yes, answer. Who is interested to answer the first one? You can see it on the screen and you can start explaining. Yes. So who is the one? And you'll be, as I've told you many times, I'm not going to repeat it again and again. The speakers will be the, will get the benefits for that.
Namaskar, ma'am.
Namaskar.
First of all, we will write the name of school and
First,
then
tell
leave
me,
a
wait, who is the one speaking?
Ma'am, Harsh.
Okay, Harsh, very good, Harsh. I can see Harsh also speaking, participating in the discussions. Yes, very good.
And then we will write leave a line and then write a notice and date. Then we will
Yes.
put a heading, and
Right.
we will start this by saying that the Heritage
Wait
Club
a
of our
minute.
school.
Wait, Harsh, like what will be the heading you will be writing here?
Ma'am, we will write a fate or we can just add that Mira International Mela.
Okay, but we have already written the name of the school. Mira International School will be writing now on top. So what else you can think of? Like fate for charity? Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Fine, that is easy because see, like you don't have to stress. In a very relaxed manner, you can complete. Like the content you can see on your screen, the questions will be there same. So take the words from the question itself. So you will be in the safe zone, like no mistake will be there in that case, right?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, Harsh. Now continue.
Ma'am, we will start by writing the Heritage Club of our school is organizing a fete on dash and dash date, and
Some problem is coming, Harsh. Just check the connectivity.
at 10 a.m. in the
Yes. Hello. Yes, continue. Hello.
From the content or from the...
Content only. Content only.
So the content will start is our school is organizing a fete in order to collect funds for the charity. The fete will be organized during the Diwali vacations on
Okay.
on the third no on the 16th and 17th of November 2020.
Okay. Okay.
Only the school students are eligible to put up the stalls.
Correct.
The interested students may give their names and their category of the stalls which they want to put up to their
Right.
respective class teachers.
Right.
Um, and that's it.
Ah,
That's it, ma'am. You can also bring your friends and family along.
fine. That is good. Anything that you have missed that is very important, Dipnita?
Ma'am,
One
venue.
point. Yes, venue, timing.
Um,
Timing is to be
the
given.
timings for fete will be from 4 p.m.
Oh,
to 7 p.m.
not 7. 7 will be too early because the students, the children, they start coming. So from 4 to 10.
Yes, ma'am, from 4 to 10.
Still also one point is still that is needed.
It will be organized in the playground near the school.
Fine, venue that you have given, timing you have given, one still there is one point. Value point. That is why, you know, these are the value points that we are supposed to take care.
Ma'am, I can't recall.
Okay, fine, no problem, no issues. Yes, anybody wants to answer? Yeah.
Ma'am, the
Please.
cause of like for what we are like collecting for charity, like the purpose.
Okay, yeah, what is the purpose?
And ma'am, one more thing, like line
No,
is
what
there,
is the, wait, Aditya, what is the purpose that you will be writing here?
like ma'am, animal rescue center.
Huh?
Animal rescue center. Like it's like the theme is for Diwali, so
Rescue center.
it's one for the animals.
Acha, animal rescue center. Okay, charity for that. Okay. And what else?
And ma'am, like the line is saying announcing sale of stalls.
Hmm.
So maybe ma'am, to having a stall, the student have to first give some amount of money to the school.
Yeah, that's it. Yes, I was waiting for this point only. Correct. Very good. See, like when you will be, how the schools will give you the chance to put up the stalls, you know, for that you have to deposit some money in advance, right? Some money must be paid up in advance. So let me come to the main screen. Just a second. Aditya, you can mute yourself now. Okay, fine. So very important point that we have just discussed is that like the money to be deposited. Fine. So like for putting up these stalls, like last year it was there, no? Like there was a fete organized from the side of the CCHS, right? So like many of the students, they put up their stalls, right? So for that, they were asked to pay some money, deposit some money also. Some of the teachers also, they put up their stalls. So they were also asked to, you know, they were also asked to submit or deposit some money. So in the same manner, you can ask, because they will be getting good amount of money, like after putting the stalls. Fine, they will be in profit. So you can ask for that, like 2,500 to be deposited for the stalls. Fine. So that money can be given. Yes. And in the end, yes, Aditya?
Ma'am, I have a question. At last, can we like also give a scheme? The person who will the person who will collect more funds for charity will get a reward from school, something like that.
Just a second. Yeah, that can also be given. The person who will get more and more will be given, who will be giving more money for charity, he'll get the reward. Yeah, that can also be done in that manner. And in that manner, what will happen? The person, the child who will be, you know, putting up this stall, he will ask his friends, relatives more and more, they should come and purchase the things from him, so that he'll be, you know, like he'll be having good amount of money, right? So this way the notice is to be done. One more example that I have given you that you can do for your homework. One I'm doing from this book. This is a very important question. Write down the question. Those who have the books, those can note down page number 180. This is sample notice second. Meeting of the alumni executive body. Those who have the books, they can note down meeting of alumni executive body. And those who don't have, note down the question. As the secretary of the alumni association, as the secretary of the alumni association of your school, comma, write a notice announcing write a notice announcing the meeting of the association to discuss the organization of annual alumni's meet, full stop. Request all the members of the executive body, to attend, full stop. Invent details of date, time and place. Invent details of date, time and place. Fine. So yes, what are the value points that you will be including in this? Read out the question. Yes, Aditya, who is the speaker? Anybody else wants to try? Yes, Aditya.
Ma'am, like first 4 priorities are like the agenda of conducting the meeting.
Right.
Ma'am, second,
Yes.
date, third, time, and fourth.
Wait a second. Just Kunal is also speaking. Wait, Kunal. First, second is
date, time.
Right. Yeah.
And ma'am, like since it's about the how to organize, so ma'am, like we have to give a command to the members of the like council that it is a compulsory meeting to attend.
Yes. Yes. Right.
And
Because
last,
it is. Yes. Yeah. Continue, Aditya.
And last, we will like say what we are going to discuss in this.
We have already mentioned agenda now. That is the topic we have mentioned, right? So like agenda is given. So like we'll be discussing, like for example, here in this question is sample is organization of an alumni's annual meet. So like annual meet will be deciding. So like all the alumni means the pass out students. So they will be coming in this meeting. And for those students, like what are the plannings to be done for that meeting? Like they'll be coming, so their dinner, like what are the things to be provided? Fine, entertainment also, fine. So all these arrangements have to be done. So this is the topic that is to be discussed in this meeting: date, time, venue, that is the school, fine. So all these points and the agenda. So one question I have given you, this one, and the another one for the homework that you are supposed to do. And then we'll continue with the next also. At least we'll be doing 5 to 6 samples from the book only. So 5 to 6 samples are enough for you to command in notice writing. Fine. So now